Hi guys, so today we're going to jump on this hot Cheeto trend here on YouTube. We're going to be making some hot Cheeto fried shrimp. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some crunchy hot Cheetos and I'm going to run them through my food processor so that I can get my crumbs. Now I'm pretty sure you can use the Cheeto puffs as well, and if you don't have a food processor, you can just throw your Cheetos in a plastic baggie and beat it to death until it's nice and crumbly. So here I have everything that I'm using. I'm just gonna shake some lemon pepper on my shrimp. I didn't want to put too many seasonings on my shrimp because I wanted the hot Cheeto flavor, so I just went ahead and used the lemon pepper. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna coat my shrimp in some flour. And then I'm gonna dip it in my egg wash, which is 2 eggs and 1/4 cup of water whisked together. And then I'm going to go ahead and fully coat it in my hot Cheeto crumbs. And when they're done, I'm going to go ahead and let them drain a bit. Now guys, I'm going to say they don't have much of a hot Cheeto flavor to me. So I would suggest after you fry them, go ahead and roll them again in some hot Cheeto crumbs. It's a super crunchy coating, which I absolutely love, but it just doesn't have much of that hot Cheeto flavor that I wanted. So, you know, go ahead and dust them in a little hot Cheeto powder after they're fried if you want more of that flavor maybe. But they were really good, nice and crunchy. Yum.